Hey guys, Ruger and I, there's my boy, wanted to tell you what I decided to keep out of my Wantable Valentine's Sleep and Body Edit. So I decided to keep this pajama set by Pour Moi. There was some concern by people very nicely telling me to be careful because it could be uncomfortable sleeping with this tie. So I did lay down, toss around. I don't feel the tie at all. It's very soft. Furthermore, it's not holding it together. It's a false, see, it's a false wrap that it's all sewn in together, both pieces. So the invoice said that the top was a medium and the bottom was a large. But when I went to check out, or actually when I went to take the tag off, the top was a 12 and the bottom was a 10. And I thought, well, maybe if I could get a little smaller top on the, it would not go down quite as far. So I went on to check. It wasn't available in a smaller size. That's fine. I'd rather have a bigger jammy top than a smaller one anyway. And I just wanted to make sure that this set stayed together. So I didn't want to send it back just because of that. I really do love this set. It feels very quality. I just love them. So there were a couple of other items I thought I was going to keep. I thought I was going to keep the slippers, the Mucklux slippers. They were $40. You know, when I went to adjust the tie on those, one of the strings with the pom-pom fell off right in my hand. So those are going back. And then there was the joggers. Was really seriously considering keeping those. I checked the fabric content and they are 75% rayon. And I couldn't afford to lose any length. And I thought, I didn't want to take a chance. They were $52. So that's not super expensive in these boxes, but for joggers, I just felt like I shouldn't fear shrinkage at that price. So the only thing I'm keeping is these. A couple of people used my referral link, so I had a credit, and instead of paying the $96 plus tax for this, I wound up paying, I think it was just under $50 in total. So thank you very much to those of you who've used my referral link. It really does help me a lot. Sometimes I can get something real nice for not very much, and in this case it also covered my styling fee. So I love that because then if I decide not to keep anything from the box, I'm out nothing and I can continue bringing you good content. Okay, that is it. I'm going to let you go. I believe I'm going to put this up on Friday. This is Thursday night. I'm recording it. So be sure and go back and check yesterday's Trunk Club unboxing if you haven't seen that. In the meantime, I'll just wish you all a good night. Bye-bye and be blessed.